Good day, kids! Welcome to our new normal classroom. I am your virtual teacher and I'm here to teach you math. So before we start, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. So for our lesson for today, we're going to discuss about finding the greatest common factor or the GCF using the following methods: listing, factor tree, and continuous division. So greatest common factor, the highest number that divides exactly into two or more numbers. It is simply the largest of the common factor. Okay, so we have the ways to find the GCF. First one is by listing method. Second one is by prime factorization using the factor tree. And the third one is by continuous division. So, listing method. Okay, for example, we're going to find the GCF of 10 and 12. So, pag sinabi natin listing method, we will list all of the factors of the given number. So, factors, hanapin muna natin yung factors ni 10. What are the factors of 10? We have 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. So, ilista natin lahat ng factors ni 10 from the smallest to the greatest number. So, 1, 2, 5, and 10. Next, 12. What are the factors of 12? We have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. Okay, lista ulit natin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So, next one, we will look for the common factor. Pag sinabi natin common factor, merong factor si 10, meron din factor si 12. So, the common factors are 1 and 2. So, lista natin 1, 2. Next one is the GCF. Ano yung mas malaki? Si 1 o si 2? So, si 2. So, 2 is our GCF. Okay, another example. We will find the GCF of 160. First one is to list all of the factors of 100. So, 1 times 100, 2 times 50, 4 times 25, 5 times 20, and 10 times 10. Okay, lista natin dito sa gilid. So, from the least to the greatest, we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50, and 100. Next one is the factors of 60. So, we have 1 times 60, 2 times 30, 3 times 20. We have 4 times 15, 5 times 12, and 6 times 10. Next step is to list all of the factors of 60. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60. Now, let us look for the common factor. So, we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Okay, let us list. So, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Now, ano dyan yung mas malaki? Pinakamalaki sa ating common factor. The biggest one is 20. So, that is our GCF. So, another method is the prime factorization using the factor tree. So, example, let us find the GCF of 150. Okay, using the factor tree, dun muna tayo kay 100. Ano kaya ang factor na pwede nating ilagay dito? We can put 10 times 10. Next one, si 10 naman hahatiin natin. What are the factors of 10? So, we have 5 times 2. Then, yung 10 naman, times 5 times 2. So, eto, product of the prime na siya. Bakit kaya? Kasi lahat sila ay prime number. Next, 50. So, pwede nating ilagay si 5 times 10. So, si 5, prime number na ba siya? Okay, prime number na siya. So, ilista lang natin siya sa baba. Si 10, prime number na ba si 10? Okay, hindi pa. So, pwede pa natin siyang kuhanan ng factors. Ano kayang factor ni 10? So, we have 5 times 2. So, the product of the prime are 5 times 5 times 2. Okay, let us list. Lista natin. So, 100 is equal to 5 times 2 times 5 times 2. So, 50 is equal to 5 times 5 times 2. Ngayon, kunin natin yung mga magkaparehas. Common kay 100, common kay 50. So, meron tayong 5 times, sino pa ba? Ito. 2 times, another one is 5. Then, let us multiply. 5 times 2 is equal to 10 times 5, so 50. So, this is our GCF or the greatest common factor. Okay, another example. Let us find the GCF of 36 and 24 using the prime factorization method using the factor tree. So, ito, 36 muna tayo. What are the factors of 36? So, we have 6 times 6. Factors of 6. Since 6 is not a prime number, so pwede pa natin siyang hatiin. So, 6 ang factor niya is 3 times 2. Si 6 naman sa kabila, 3 times 2 pa rin. So, 24. Anong factors ni 24? So, we have 12 times 2. Si 12, prime number na ba? Okay, hindi pa. So, kuhanin natin yung factor ni 12, which is 4 times 3. So, si 2, prime number na ba? Prime na. So, we will just bring down 2. Si 4, prime number na ba si 4? Okay, hindi pa. May factor pa siya. Factor of 4 is 2 times 2. Bring down 3. Bring down 2. Bringing down lang natin si 3 saka si 2 kasi they are both a prime number. Next, prime number na yung nasa baba. Next step is to list down all the product of the prime. So, 36 muna. 3 times 2 times 3 times 2. Next is 24. We have 2 times 2 times 3 times 2. Next step, to find the GCF, hanapin natin yung pareha sa product of the prime. So, we have 3 times 2 times 2. So, 3 times 2 is equal to 6 times 2. So, the GCF is 12. Okay, another method, we have the continuous division method. Okay, another example is 150. So, sa continuous division method, i-divide natin siya sa prime number. So, sino kayang prime number ang pwede natin i-divide kay 100 saka kay 50? So, pwede natin siyang i-divide kay 2. 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25. Prime number na ba sila? Okay, hindi pa. So, pwede pa natin silang i-divide kanino? Sa prime number, which is 5. 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Okay, si 10 sa kasi 5, pwede pa natin ba silang i-divide? Okay, pwede pa natin silang i-divide kay 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So, prime number na ba si 2? Okay, prime number na si 1. Special number siya, kaya iwanan na lang din natin siya. So, kukunin natin yung mga nasa gilid niya para makuha natin yung GCF. 2 times 5 times 5. So, 2 times 5 is equal to 10 times 5. So, our greatest common factor is 50. Okay, another example for continuous division. We have 36 and 24. So, divide natin. Kanino kayang prime factor natin sila pwedeng i-divide? Let us divide them by 2. 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18. 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. Next, i-divide ulit natin. So, pwede pa kasi natin i-divide. So, kanino natin pwedeng i-divide? Kay 2 ulit. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Next, kanino natin pwedeng i-divide? Let us divide them kay 3 since they are both divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Ngayon, meron pa ba tayong pwedeng i-divide kay 3 saka kay 2? Okay, wala na. So, kunin natin yung gilid to find the GCF. So, GCF is equal to 2 times 2 times 3. So, 2 times 2 is equal to 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So, our GCF is 12. So, thank you for listening. Sana meron kayong natutunan about the greatest common factor. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I am your virtual teacher. Goodbye!